here's that GTR I saw as I pulled in. And this is the owner, Rich. You don't mind being on camera, do you?
I don't mind at all. Do it all the time.
So he's saying this is a 1,000 horsepower GTR.
1,000 wheel.
1,000 to the wheels, which
Got a
I don't doubt.
4.1 stroker engine, twin 30Rs, 2,000 cc injectors. It's got triple fuel pump setup.
Nice, yeah.
Have an ethanol flex, full flex. It's on top.
Comp tuning, nice.
There it is.
Wow. That's sick. That's pretty crazy. I would expect these to be bigger.
See the size of the drum.
Yeah? That's crazy. He offered to take me on a ride, and of course I wasn't gonna say no.
Well, you can't say no.
Can't say no. I think I've been in a GTR one time, and probably during one of those auto shows. Never been in one while I was rolling.
Oh, really?
This should be interesting.
This also has a pretty unique sound, so you can put the stroker engine in it.
Really?
It's got a different sound than a normal one. It's not kind of. A lot of these guys get raspy, kind of like a.
Right.
This doesn't sound like that at all.
No rasp, huh?
No.
That's good.
And then it's got a Shrep's trans in it too, so it's got full straight cut gears. The transmission is pretty noisy. Kind of sounds cool.
Yeah. It's got to be bulletproof with all that horsepower.
Yeah. It's got a billet girdle in it, billet 4.1 stroker crank, pistons, rods, whole 9, CNC ported heads, cams, valve train. It'll rev right past 8,000 revs on 8,300.
Wow.
It'll go right off the chart. Pretty crazy.
So what do you do at that point?
You shift it.
But do you ever thought about doing like a digital tach or
No.
no need?
I can also run it in auto too, and it'll shift 8,000.
Does this have a shift light? Like lets you know? Or I thought these came with them. I know the 370s do. Sure.
So there's different maps I can run on this. So there's, if you look here, these are just settings. So this is like 18 pounds. That's how I have it set. 22, 24, 28, and then 30.
Wow.
But right now we're running E66 mixture. So we're gonna run let's run it at 26.
That's crazy. So 18 is usually your just regular normal.
Yeah, 91 octane and makes about 750 wheels on 91.
Even a 91 octane, that's crazy. Yeah, it kind of sucks, but we only have 91 out here. It's kind of hard. I mean, I found a place that sells 101, but I mean, freaking $10 a gallon.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can hear that trans winding up. It's pretty. Sounds pretty cool, actually. Yeah, you're right. No rats.
No, it doesn't.
Smooth, clean.
Yeah, this is a daily driver. I can turn 35 pounds like 1,200.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just at that point, these motors, head gaskets, that kind of stuff. I try to.
Right.
I've got my kill map if I need it. But
Yeah.
we do have a set of 35 Rs on the shelf for it,
Okay.
but a little bit more lag. And if we do 35 Rs, we'll probably need to do some overrange on the heads or something to make sure the head gaskets stay. But
How long have you had this car?
I've had it for about 3 years.
3 years?
Yeah, it's a 2012 car. I bought it 3,000 miles. It's got 26,000 miles on it.
Oh
So
man.
I've been driving it
How long did the whole build, would you say, it took?
about 2 weeks.
2 weeks?
Yeah. Well, the transmission was gone for about a month.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I want to let it warm up. Get the intercooler temperatures down, get the oil temperatures out.
I mean, I was like 2 weeks. That's you figure it'd probably be a little longer than that.
No, we do quite a few of these.
Yeah. So
I
now
have the whole subframe out the bottom onto a table with the axles and everything there, and we put the motor in it and put it right back up. And installed turbo kit, fuel system, wiring, everything, and just put it right back in the bottom of the car.
Nice. Now, did you buy this with the intention of just daily driving it, or did you have another intention in mind?
Not daily drive it.
Just to daily drive it.
Yeah.
Have
This ride's perfect.
you ever been to the track?
Yep, it'll run 215 and a half.
215 and a half. Wow.
And half mile from anything.
Very cool.
Yeah. We have one in the shop right now. We're building it 1600 wheel.
Yeah, I saw
should
that.
do upwards of 220, 225 and a half.
Wow. That's crazy.
So we'll make a U-turn on Cactus. We'll go down that access road on the freeway.
Sure.
We'll go through those little lights, be on the freeway at about $140.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll be merging at about 150. So we'll try to.
You do whatever you think you can do.
I hope I don't get pinched to get a ticket. We're gonna take it to jail.
Well, I mean, if they let me take the car back to the shop, I'll do it all right. I'll take care of it.
I've been like, hopefully they get any traffic either. If not, there's a couple other places we can go. And this is why I built this, man, to give people rides in this thing and let them know what we can do and how reliable our tuning is.
That's awesome, man. I mean, I really appreciate it. Like I said, I mean, believe it or not, this is like my dream car right here.
Okay, ready?
So. Oh my goodness.
140.
Oh my goodness. That was like the
Almost
only.
got away from me.
Yeah. The only way I can describe that, I don't know if you ever been on a really fast roller coaster.
Oh my God.
I've been on, I don't know if you ever been, if anybody out there has ever been on Superman, that's what it felt like. Superman the ride on Magic Mountain, okay? That's ridiculous. Wow.
Oh, it makes me grin. And I do this for a living, man.
That's pretty fucking
Makes your hair
awesome.
stand on end and you get tunnel vision. And your ears start ringing a little bit.
It actually did, yeah.
Yeah,
I mean, it knocked my head back and my eyes, I think my eyeballs went back to the back of my socket.
That was only 26 pounds.
Oh, man. That's crazy. That's so fucking crazy.
Good stuff, man. It's like I love my job.
How do you drive this thing and not want to do that every single time, you know?
It's very hard.
See, you know, that, and even if I could, even if somebody gave me this car for free, I mean, I don't even think I could afford the maintenance but I mean, yeah, I would get in so much trouble driving something like this.
My son and I, every once in a while on the weekends, hey Dad, about 10 o'clock at night, Saturday night, hey Dad, let's take the GTR off the controller.
No.
We're like, okay.
Hey, do you guys have a YouTube channel?
Yep, we do. Yep.
Okay, well, I have to look that up. Do you have any this on the dyno by any chance?
I don't this car, no. But we have a lot of other cars
Yeah.
on YouTube and on Facebook and stuff.
Oh, shit.
Almost 150.
That's some good ass brakes. Holy shit. That one's a little cleaner.
It's all that was 60.
And you're spinning at 60. Spinning the tires.
It'll spin with 80.
Wow. Damn. You go through tires what, like once a month?
It's my first out here.
Yeah.
About every 8,000 miles.
Every 8,000 miles. Wow. See, that's what I mean right there. It's like, you don't buy this car on a budget, that's for sure.
They just put an auto and I go this thing to California.
Let it do it. Really? Wow. Okay. How often did you have to stop for gas?
On 91 octane, it gets about 20 miles a gallon.
Wow, that's pretty freaking good.
On 85, it gets half that.
Okay, yeah. Go ahead, run the red. That is just, I don't even know what to say, man. I have never been, and this is definitely pretty awesome. Like I said, this is one of my dream cars, and just getting a chance to ride in it. I mean, that's awesome. Appreciate it.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Really appreciate
Now
it.
you can stop by Dyno Comp. That's why I built it to give rides in it.
Yeah.
If I can't share it, it's no fun.
Right? That's a good attitude. I like that. All right, I gotta catch my breath. That was very intense. That's one of the most intense things I've ever done. Wow. Well, yeah, appreciate it. You're welcome. Thank you very much. Oh my God. I know I should be excited about this car on the Dyno doing 320, which is I was not expecting. But riding in that GTR, fucking insane. If you've never been in a car that's 1,000 horsepower, like I was saying earlier, it's like being in a roller coaster. I'm still trying to catch my breath. It's insane. That is a freaking sick ass GTR, and that guy just made my one of my fantasies come true with